How to type in underscore sign on your laptop's keyboard. What's up everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video where I'm going to show you how you can easily type your underscore sign on your laptop's keyboard. Let's get started. First of all, what you want to do is open any as you can see, I have opened a Word document, a blank Word document where I can type stuff. Now, in order to type in the underscore, you will have to first find the minus or the dash icon on your keyboard. It's usually right beside your plus sign, which is right beside your backspace. So if you just look up on your number pad right on top of your top row of your keyboard, you will see 7, 8, 9 and 0. Then right after 0 you will usually see this minus icon, but if you just press the minus you won't be able to get the underscore. So in order to get the underscore, you just have to press shift plus minus and this underscore will appear. Shift plus minus. You can use either of the shift keys, right or left, depending on your convenience. So just type minus shift plus minus and you will get the underscore. If you found the video helpful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. I will see you on the next one.